Hey guys, I wanted to show you really quickly how to use the shape tools to create a scarecrow of your own now that you've read the story about the scarecrow and his friend the crow. On your toolbar, you're going to look for the shape tool. That's the square with the circle on top of it right here. Look where my arrow is. If I click on that, it gives me a bunch of choices for all different kinds of shapes. Maybe I want to make the face of my scarecrow look like a smiley face. Or maybe I want to get really creative and make it look like a heart. I think today I'm going to choose this shape right here. So when I click on it, it gives me that X. If I touch the screen, it's going to put that shape on there. But that's not big enough for my scarecrow's face. So I'm going to grab these little boxes and stretch them out so that it changes the size of my shape. Now, I want that flat part to be the top of his head, but it's sideways. So I'm going to grab the circle on top and hold on tight and spin it around. See, my shape is moving. Now my shape is facing the direction that I want it to be. So I'm going to move his little head over here. Well, what does every scarecrow face need? My scarecrow needs eyes. So let's go see if we can find some eyes. I think I'm going to use some circles. So here's a circle. I'm going to put an eye right there. Oh, that's a big eye. So I'm going to grab those corners again and shrink it down small to make an eye. Now, my eye is the same color as my face, so you can't really tell it's an eye. So I want my scarecrow to have blue eyes today. So I'm going to click on that circle, come over here to the paint can. Does everybody see the little paint can with the paint dripping out? I'm going to click on that and it gives me all these colors. Let's see, I want dark blue eyes. And now my scarecrow has a blue eye. So to get another eye, I'm going to go to the shape tool, go back to the circle, click on it. Got to make him smaller again. Now those little brackets that you see around my circle mean that I've got them the same size. And I want his eyes to be the same size. So I'm going to go back to the paint can and back to my blue eye. And now my scarecrow has two blue eyes. Now you have to decide, is your scarecrow going to be happy or sad or mad? What does your scarecrow feel like? I'm going to choose this shape right here because it looks like a frown, but if I make it smaller and then spin it around, let's make it just a little bit smaller. You'll have to play with it to get it all the right size. Then, of course, I don't want his smile to be gray. I want it to be red. So now I'm starting to build my scarecrow. You're going to do the same thing. The shape tool, all of these shapes. Get creative. Use any one you want. And the fill color bucket. Make sure that you choose, let's make him, that doesn't look very straw colored, does it? That's better. So you're going to change colors of your shapes and add new shapes to build a scarecrow on your paper and then turn it in. If you have any questions, you can ask the teacher or you can watch this video again. I can't wait to see all of your scarecrows that you decide to build today.